Fish on! Yeah! Go on, Tormentor, work your magic. Oh! Oh, fish on! Fish on! Oh, it's full in line! Grr. Hello, beastie. Hello there, viewers. Yeah, out for the pike today, out on the canal. Got my trusty Tormentor. It's been doing me well lately, so sticking with that. Temperature has dropped quite significantly today, so I don't know how it's going to go. I did get a couple yesterday, and you'll see further in the video, but yeah, today's looking a bit more tricky. Not sure where it's going to go, but I'm going to try it anyway. I have been wanting to get out in the rivers, but this year has been the year of rain, so even when it is a nice day, it's quite clear today, the river is just so fast flowing. I remember I tried to do a deadbait video, but literally I was putting like 2 weights on and it was still getting dragged along down the river, so yeah, that was no good. But yeah, hopefully we can get some pike on today and get some good content for you guys out there. As ever, please like and subscribe, it really helps the channel, and let's get some fish. Duck! Back on the canal, let's go. Fish on! Yeah! This feels like a little jack. Oh, get him out. Oh. Nice little jack. Ah, there we go. Let go, let go. Let go the trace, let go. There we go. Lovely jack. Bit not the easiest to get unhooked. Beautiful colours on it though. There you go, slinking into the reeds. What a treat. Apart from making a mess with the hooks. Lovely. Oh, falls prey to the Tormentor yet again. I love this lure. It's really good for jack pike. They just crush it. It's one of my go-tos now. I have to get some more of these. I'm running a bit low. I've lost them over time. Oh, what a tag, and I missed it. I mean, pepper. Oh, bloody saying stupid shit. Oh, he come out of nowhere. Ah, he's probably not going to take that again. Oh, again! Oh. Two takes of miss. Oh, my heart. My poor little dicky heart. It's in my chest. Well, yeah, I'll go to the. You know what I mean. Oh, fish up. Oh, you nailed that again, didn't you? Yeah, learned my mistake from last time. Don't let the line go. Otherwise, it's a hell of a job of looking them. Come on, mate, open up. It's bloody hard to pop this. He's only got a little mouth. Ow! See these hooks on these. Ow! Vicious. I think that's just knackered my fishing session. Here's the weather. The turd. Oh yeah, look at that water, all completely bucket. It's been a long time since I caught one from here, or had a chase. But how can you not cast into that? Oh. Oh no. 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 My favorite lure. Oh! Out of nowhere. Oh, I love it when that happens. Right. Oh, grab that. We don't want to do a death roll, which they're known to do. There's my forceps. Oh, what a beautiful fish. Ooh, He's bleeding quite a bit. Oh, sorry guys, I couldn't film a release on that one. It was a freak accident, and it just hit one of those treble hooks too hard, and it absolutely tore the hell out of one of its gills. I had to put the poor thing out of its misery. I thought there was a lot of blood. It's a risk you use with treble hooks, unfortunately, but to be honest, that's the first one I've had to put out of its misery of all the fish I caught. Sad. I'm very sad. That's not what I do fishing for. I'm not here to hurt them. Obviously, it's the moral dilemma, isn't it, with fishing? You know, you obviously are using hooks that are going to. I always crush the barbs, so there's less of a chance of that happening. But if it's just a combination of hit it wrong, and he was a bit small, so it was hard to manoeuvre them hooks out, and the damage was already done. Sad. Absolutely gutted about that. Oh, right, so after some unlucky sessions on the canal, I'm going to try to deadbait the River Severn. This is a beast of a river, and it's my local, but your big pike, they're in there. So we're going to try and deadbait some. Hope it goes well. Oh, fish on! Fish on! Yes! And it's off! No! Ah! Oh, fish on! Yeah. Oh. Come on, baby. I waited all day for you. Come on. I'm not losing this one. Oh, go on, pull line. Go on. Oh, oh, it's pulling line. Hello, beastie. Come here. Oh, it's been a while since I had to do that. Oh, he's got some fight in him. Come here. Oh. It was big. It's too big for the bloody net. We have to chin grip him. Lovely river pike though. Come here. I should have brought my bigger net. That fish should have brought my bigger net. Get in there. Woo! Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, he's a fatty! Oh, he's a fatty! That's a bloody fat fish. Oh my god, I wish I had the scales to me. Okay. Get on the mat. Get on the mat. I'm not hurting you. You're beautiful. Come here. Woo! There we go. What a fish! Now that is a fish. Okay, I may be a bit excited because oh, look at that! It's a beast. It's a beast. Let's get this one back, I think. Well, thank you for watching the video, guys. It was a collection of sessions. I've blanked a lot lately. The weather has been atrocious. The frost really put off the pike, but the planets did align. I was keeping an eye on the water levels, and it's been quite dry for the last few days, so the river came down a bit. It's still pretty full, but we did it. Well, I did it. We did it, guys. I got myself my first river pike. Yeah, never caught a river pike before. I've never really thought I had the knowledge up until now, and I lost that one. I could hear my heart break. I'm pretty sure everyone could. And then we got that one right at the end, and wow, just wow. I can't tell you how I'm feeling. That was my personal goal this year, was to catch a river pike, at least a double. I wish I had my scales, but I would say so. It was fat. It was a fat pike. Oh, I think I'm addicted to that now. If you like the video, please like it, please subscribe. Really helps the channel, and I love to keep doing these videos for you guys. So till next time, thank you for watching.